Dr. Dhakar, you said there isn't any mistake in Quran. I see more than 20 mistakes in Arabic grammar, and I will tell you some of them. إن الذين آمنوا والذين هادوا والصابئون. He said in Baqarah and Hajj, إن الذين آمنوا والذين هادوا والصابئين. Which is right? الصابئون or الصابئين? Number one. Number two.
Brother, one question at a time, please.
Yeah, but at the same thing, he said in Surah Taha 63, إن هذان لساحران. Mistake. إن هذين لساحران. Can you explain that? And there is more than that mistakes.
Brother will allow you only the first part of the question. The second part will not allow because we have stated we'll allow one question at a time so others get a chance too.
Okay.
The brother has asked a very good question. I would like to be more concordant and agreeing. He has mentioned all 20 grammatical points. And the book is referring to Abdul Fadi. Abdul Fadi, correct? Is the Quran infallible? I can see some things. Yeah. Alhamdulillah, my side is good. I will answer all 20 together. Because I've read the book. I'll answer all 20, inshallah. Inshallah. Point number one, brother. Point number one. Point number one to be noted that all Arabic grammar is taken from the Quran. Quran was the highest Arabic book, a book which has the maximum level of highest literature. All the Arabic grammar has been derived from the Quran. Quran is the textbook of grammar. Since Quran is the textbook of grammar and all the grammar is derived from the Quran can never have a mistake. Point number one. Point number two. Point number two. Point number two.